Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about magnetic lashes. I have had a few of you ask me about these because I know not everyone's comfortable applying traditional lashes and just can't be bothered as well. So these are really a game changer. Today I'm going to be talking about the Addictalash Magnetic Lashes. I'm super grateful to be working with Addictalash. They have sent me over this PR package. This video is not sponsored. I am just sharing my honest thoughts. However, this product was gifted to me and I just thought I would clarify that. However, I have also tried this particular lash brand before and this was a few months ago and I loved it. I shared my thoughts on my Instagram and this is what prompted this video because so many of you guys said to do a detailed review, so here it is. So they were kind enough to send over this little box with a lash applicator, the waterproof magnetic eyeliner, and 2 pairs of lashes. So this is the shade Perfection. I absolutely love the style. It's not like crazy heavy and it's fluffy on the outer corner, which really elongates the eye and makes everything look really beautiful. And this is the other style. It is the style Hypnotize, which is a much more fuller lash. I think I'm going to be using Perfection today because I'm wearing quite a wearable makeup look, so this would only make sense. Okay, so what you're going to need when you are applying your magnetic lashes is this eyeliner. This is the Addictalash waterproof magnetic eyeliner. I know a lot of other brands do this as well, so if you're looking for another brand or you want to purchase something different, I'm pretty sure like brands like Adele do them. There's a couple of brands which do magnetic eyeliner, so yeah, you can explore that if you wish. You're going to need a pair of tweezers. I'm going to be using these ones. I love how pointy they are, which allows you to really pick up the lash nicely. You can also use your fingers, but I just prefer using tweezers. And of course, your magnetic lashes and potentially a pair of scissors if they are too long for you. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can really see the eye area. Okay, so I highly recommend curling your natural lashes before doing anything. Even if you're applying traditional lashes, this will just allow everything to look nice and seamless and blended together. So I'm just using this eyelash curler from Tarte and I'm just going to be curling my lashes. This will allow your natural lashes and the artificial lash to blend really beautifully together and you won't have your normal eyelashes downward slanting. I think that's a very common problem with a lot of us. It's really natural to have downward sloping lashes. I like to do this for about 10 to 15 seconds and really like go back and forth, getting all the lashes. Next, I'm going to be applying a mascara. I'm going to be using the Benefit Bad Girl Bang and I'm not going in with a crazy amount. I'm just coating the lashes so they become nice and black. Just be sure to get all the little lash hairs. Now, basically, these steps aren't 100% essential, but they definitely make everything look nice and blended, so highly recommend. I just took out the lashes and I'm going to take them off and just hold them up against my eyelid to see what the sizing is like. This is pretty much perfect. This is literally perfect. I'm going to leave this. I'm not going to trim it, but guys, I would highly recommend you always do this before putting on lashes. Hold up the artificial lashes to your natural lash if it's like hanging over or it's coming too far in, and then you can just trim accordingly from the outer corner. Okay, so I know the concept of magnetic lashes is kind of trippy, like how do you get a lash to stick to an eyeliner? Okay, so basically magnetic eyeliners typically have iron oxide in them, and that is magnetic. And if you observe the lash, I don't know if you can see, but there's tiny little magnets on the band, which will then get the magnets to stick to the eyeliner. pretty simple. What's great about these lashes is the case comes with a magnet band, so you can just pop the lashes back in when you're done after you've cleaned them, and it'll stick right back on, ready for your next use. What really stood out to me about this brand was the fact that the lashes don't fall off and they actually really stick on. And I think I've tried so many magnetic lashes brands. I think I've tried like about 10 so far, and these are my favorite only because you don't have that kind of like flickiness in the inner and outer corner. If you've done your eyeliner properly and applied the lashes on, they are not gonna budge. And I was actually kind of surprised at how like hard they were to remove at the end of the night, which is so nice for me because I don't want my lashes flying off at an event. Okay, so this is what the liquid eyeliner looks like, and this is the brush that it comes with. Just ensuring I have a decent amount of eyeliner on the lid, guys. I think this is really important. Just stamp the eyeliner across your upper lash line. You can really just do your eyeliner however you like. Now, all I want to emphasize here is you have to have a nice, clean, even liner, and that's going to allow your lashes to stick on and not budge the entire time. Remember, the eyeliner is the adhesive, so you want to be really, really precise with this, and you want to make sure you haven't missed any parts. Okay, so now that that's applied, you want to go in with the lash quite quickly because you don't want that eyeliner to dry down completely. So I just pick up the lash with the little applicator, and all you do is tilt your head back and apply the lash as close to the band as you can. Can you guys see how that's already stuck on? And then just pinch your natural lash with the artificial lashes. And do the same for the inner corner. And keep pinching together. Guys, just look at that. Seriously, look how easy it was. I didn't even have to fiddle around with the lashes. Once that gets a little bit more tacky, you can always just like keep going in with your tweezers and just like pinching the natural lash with the artificial lashes, and just make sure the magnets have pinched onto the eyeliner fully. I'm just checking that that's all done. And you can always go back in and clean up your eyeliner, which I'm going to do now. And there you have it. That's all done. How easy was that? I'm going to quickly do the other eye off camera. These lashes have blown me away. I was so skeptical when I received the PR package. I was like, like I really want to try a pair of magnetic lashes, which I can wholeheartedly tell you guys to go out and buy because they're amazing, and I have finally found them. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, I can like tug at the lash and it won't come off. Like, do you see that? Anyway, guys, if you would like to use my code, feel free to. I have a discount code with them. So if you do purchase using my code, I will make a little bit of a commission, but yeah, no pressure. If you don't want to use it, don't use it, but I will leave it on the screen. It's just Aditi 10, and you can just put that in at checkout and you will get a little bit of a discount. One of my biggest pet peeves when it comes to eyeliners is this inner corner, and this inner corner here is completely stuck down. I'm just looking in my viewfinder and I'm like confirming. Overall, guys, I'm super impressed. There's nothing that I can really critique about these lashes. I love the styles. They are very, very wearable, and there are also some more dramatic styles for you girls and guys who like something a little more. But yeah, like overall amazing products. I just wanted to mention you can rewear these lashes. I personally do like a super full glam normally, and I rewore my last pair like 12 times. So if you take care of them and Be really gentle with them. You can absolutely wear them up to 40 times according to the website. You can also reuse the glue, so if you are buying one glue, you can buy multiple lashes and that one glue will last you quite a while. So yeah, I hope that helps. If you guys have any questions relating to magnetic lashes, these particular lashes, or anything makeup in general that you want me to review or try out, I am loving YouTube content, so feel free to comment it down below and I will definitely do that for you guys. But thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel while you're here. Bye guys.